Goku versus Saitama. Or should I say Goku versus One Punch Man? Because I know most of you idiots don't even know that Saitama is the name of main character. You know, the bald guy in One Punch Man. Even though you want to see him battle Goku. The legendary fight every weeb wants to see at least once in his lifetime and finally answer the question, can he beat Goku though? But first, let's take a step back and talk about demographics in anime. And it's very related to this fight. So listen. There are many demographics in anime, but the most important and popular ones are shonen and seinen. And let me explain them to you real quick. Shonen manga / anime is basically aimed at young teen males. It is primarily intended for boys between the ages of 12 and 18. And this is the reason why shonen manga is also referred to as boy manga or boy comics. But this doesn't mean that shonen cannot get real dark, which I'm not going into right now. I'll make a video on it sometime later in the future. And as we all know that most of the shonen manga / anime are notorious for being long as fuck. For example, One Piece, which has 936 episodes and it is still airing from 1999, which means it's still airing even after 21 years. Naruto had 222 episodes plus 500 episodes from Shippuden. It aired a total of 15 years. Dragon Ball series. Dragon Ball had 153 episodes. Dragon Ball Z had 291 episodes. Dragon Ball Kai had 167 episodes and Dragon Ball Super had 131 episodes. And its first episode came out in the year 1986. Then there are still more examples to this, like Hunter x Hunter, Bleach, Full Metal Alchemist Brotherhood. And I'm not saying that all shonen anime are long. A good counterpart example to this would be My Hero Academia, which only has 4 seasons and each season only contains 24 episodes and it only has 2 movies. Now let's talk about seinen. Seinen is essentially shonen all grown up. It is intended for adult male. Its intended audience are 18 plus males and it features more graphic and adult situation, unsuitable for minors because they are unable to comprehend that obviously. Seinen are usually short. Examples for seinen are Kaguya-sama Love is War. It has 12 episodes per season and only has 2 seasons by far. Attack on Titans. Attack on Titan has 13 episodes per season and it has 3 seasons by far. Tokyo Ghoul. It has 12 episodes per season and it is completed after airing 4 seasons. And One Punch Man is also an example from seinen. It has 12 episodes per season and it only has 2 seasons by far and it has no movies. So as I explained earlier that One Punch Man comes in seinen category, which means their targeted audience is adults, which directly implies that their action has to have some sort of logic. They just cannot go around popping transformations like addicts pop pills. That went dark real quick. And Dragon Ball series, I know you're going to hate me for saying this, but it is what it is. Dragon Ball series is actually intended towards young kids, and it is obvious by watching it. Like, no matter how strong the opponent Goku faces, in the end he always gets a new transformation and beats the shit out of them. And it necessarily doesn't mean that Dragon Ball fights needs to have a good logic, because as we all know, let me give you an example for this. Akira Toriyama during Dragon Ball Vegeta Saga said that Saiyans cannot fight in outer space. But in the Dragon Ball Battle of Gods, Goku actually fights Beerus in the outer space, which defies all logics. But it doesn't matter, because it is actually intended towards kids. Kids don't need logic, they just need action. I know that back in the Dragon Ball and Dragon Ball Z days, their targeted audience used to be adult and the characters used to bleed and cut. But now instead of blood, their characters are filled with G's. But nowadays, it is what it is. Moving on to the actual question itself. Can Goku beat Saitama, or can Saitama beat Goku? And there are many aspects in this battle that needs to be analyzed, like in which form Goku is going to fight in. Is he in base form, Super Saiyan 1, 2, 3, Super Saiyan God or Super Saiyan Blue, or Ultra Instincts, etc. etc. We also need to consider their location of battle. As we all know, Goku can battle in outer space, even though he isn't supposed to be, but he still did in the Battle of Gods, which makes no sense at all. This shows us that Dragon Ball is actually intended for young kids and not for adults. But let it be. And after closely inspecting all these aspects, I find out the truth of this legendary battle. And that truth is, no, Saitama cannot beat Goku, and nor can Goku beat Saitama. Do you know why? Because they're both from different fucking verses, you stupid assholes. I don't know why people would want to see a versus battle between characters from different universes. It's okay to want to see a battle between characters from same universe. Like for example, say, if you want to see a battle between Jiraiya and Minato, which never actually happened in Narutoverse. Because the same rules apply to the character from same universe. The rule of Chakra applies evenly to all the characters in Naruto, but it cannot be applied on the different universe. For example, like say, you cannot say that Naruto can use Chakra even in Dragon Ball universe, or you also cannot say that Goku can use Ki in Naruto universe. At this point, I think it's all these 12-year-olds who want to see these type of battles. I'm not shitting on all of these 12-year-olds because I hate them, but fuck. And if you clicked on this video thinking that you'll actually get to see a versus battle, then congratulations, you played yourself. Or rather, I played you. But hey, I actually explained 2 major anime demographics to you in this video, so that's a plus point. Leave a like for that. And if you want me to make a video on anime demographics or anything anime related, then comment down. Be sure to like, share and subscribe. This is Crimson Weeb, and I'll see you guys in the next video. Till then, keep watching anime. Oh, by the way, yeah, Goku will beat the shit out of Saitama.